Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and just a little update on the famous Patch Tuesday updates of this week. For those that had the famous LSASS error that would reboot your machine randomly, the Patch Tuesday security updates has fixed that issue, by the way. So if that was one of the problems plaguing your system, should be okay now. I've had a few people saying that their Outlook desktop app on PC was not working or crashing. That also should be fixed now, because the Patch Tuesday update, after the Patch Tuesday update, some people were actually mentioning that there was a problem with Outlook and they couldn't have it working. So Microsoft looked at the situation, and apparently it's something at their end that they can fix, that they did, and they said the deployment and everything is okay and should be okay now. So if you had that problem, just restart your PC and restart Outlook. Everything should be back to normal now for everyone. For the rest, well, the update to security, Patch Tuesday security, seems to be rolling out well. For the most part, I don't see any major issue created by it, which is important, because last time for Patch Tuesday of June, there was a few things that happened with that one. I want to remind everybody that everyone that has that problem with the optimization restarting all the time on SSD drives, that was not fixed in this week's updates, but next week on Tuesday we should have a bug fixing update, and that bug fixing update should have the fixes for the optimization of SSD drive that's going all the time. The problem, actually, what happens with the SSD drive optimization going on is that Windows doesn't log properly the date and time of the last optimization. So every time you restart your PC, it thinks it needs to optimize the drive again. Apparently next week that should be fixed in the bug fixing updates that we should get on Tuesday, July the 21st. So all of that should be fixed there, and they're going to fix probably a host of other little things here. So that is interesting to note. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.